to create a new business model based basically on agriculture. We are constructing a new greenhouse production systems, which we want to make it more sustainable. We are implementing innovation in the greenhouses. We want to increase the CO2 levels inside the greenhouses so we can increase the production, the crops. We want to also diversify the crops production and make a more efficiency use of the resources and also circular economy principles to manage the waste. So we want to document all this process so we can create the new business model and share with stakeholders. And also we want to document this and create new training material to share with the professional training centers so we can share this knowledge with the new generation of farmers. In our region, the greenhouses farming is increasing, so we want to take an advance of this opportunity, but we have to do it in a sustainable way. So for this, for example, in our case, the greenhouses needs heating, so they use biomass heating for that. So we want to use part of the fumes of the biomass heater and introduce inside the greenhouses so we can increase the CO2 levels, but control it using a biofilter to filter the inputs, the incomes of the fumes and increase the levels of CO2 inside the greenhouse. So with this, the plants can increase the growth rates so we can increase the production. We also want to make an efficient use of the energy, so for that we use infrared technology. And also we want to control the use of water in the irrigation, also with infrared technology. We want to make a study of the waste, the organic waste that they have in the greenhouses, so we can use part of this organic material, use compost and also for animal feed. First thing that we have to do is to study the weakness, but also the opportunities that the region has. In our case, for instance, is the agriculture, which is the main driver of the economy. Secondly, we have to identify the stakeholders and to know their opinions. So to know their opinions is important also to create an open dialogue between the government, the researchers, the farmers, and also the citizens.